Hello, welcome to Willie's Corner. It is now time for your daily bread, titled Eden Restored. Then the angel showed me the river of the water of life, as clear as crystal, flowing from the throne of God and of the Lamb down the middle of the great street of the city. On each side of the river stood the tree of life, bearing 12 crops of fruit, yielding its fruit every month. And the leaves of the tree are for the healing of the nations. No longer will there be any curse. The throne of God and the Lamb will be in the city, and his servants will serve him. They will see his face, and his name will be on their foreheads. There will be no more night. They will not need the light of a lamp or the light of the sun, for the Lord God will give them light, and they will reign forever and ever. And that's in the book of Revelations, chapter 22, verses 1 through 5. Everyone, have a blessed day.
Behold, a vision of hope, the Garden of Eden restored, a realm where paradise is no longer lost, but regained in all its glory. Here, in this place of wonder, we witness the fulfillment of an ancient promise, a world made new. At the heart of this celestial city flows the river of the water of life, as clear as crystal, its source none other than the throne of God and of the Lamb. On each side of this life-giving stream stands the tree of life, a marvel of divine creation. These trees bear 12 crops of fruit, yielding their bounty every month, and their leaves a balm for the healing of nations. In this restored paradise, the burdens of the old world have been lifted. No longer will there be any curse. The throne of God and of the Lamb resides within the city, and his servants serve him with gladness. They see his face, and his name is written upon their foreheads, a mark of belonging, of eternal communion. In this realm of perpetual day, there is no more night. The light of lamp or sun is no longer needed, for the Lord God himself illuminates all, and in this light they shall reign forever and ever. This is the Garden of Eden restored, a testament to God's enduring love and the fulfillment of his promise, a place where life flows eternal, healing abounds, and the light of divine presence never fades. In this restored paradise, we find not just an end, but a new beginning. A place where every tear is wiped away, every wound is healed, and the joy of the Lord reigns supreme. This is the hope that awaits. A garden, a city, a home. Eden restored for all eternity.